Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the topic freezing point depression from chapter 2 through a simple demonstration. For the demonstration to be done, we require some materials. First of all is that some of the ice cubes, a little amount of table salt that is sodium chloride, an empty glass jar or a glass vessel, a glass full of chilled cold water, a piece of thread. So now first of all we have to do that. Pour this chilled water in this empty glass. Now, according to the capacity of your jar, place ice cubes over the surface of water. Like my capacity of jar is around 4 to 5 ice cubes, so I will put only that. And if you are taking a big jar, you can take more ice cubes. Yeah, so here I have taken 5 ice cubes. The next step is to that, take a thread. Now, wet this thread completely in this ice water. After wetting this thread, carefully place this thread over the ice such that it touches the surface of ice. This is okay. After this, take a little amount of table salt, that is sodium chloride. Sprinkle this salt over the surface of thread and ice, mainly over that surface on which the thread is touching the surface of ice. Place it thoroughly because this is the most main step of our experiment. Now we have to wait for around 30 to 40 seconds. Till then, let's learn the concept behind this. As we pour sodium chloride over the surface of water, it acts as solute and depresses the freezing point of ice. As it depresses the freezing point of ice, the thread gets embedded in the surface of ice and then the ice refreezes again. So now our 30 to 40 seconds time is up and now let's see the magic. Whoa. As you can see here, the ice gets sticks on the surface of thread and this is all in our demonstration. The thread gets embedded on the surface of ice. This embedding is possible due to the sodium chloride, that is table salt, as it weakens the strong bond of attraction between the ice or it depresses the freezing point of ice